Hello guys, today I want to show you how you can install Android virtual machine on your computer. It's very easy, and in my experience that's one of the best virtual machine I ever seen, which is it's integrated with your Windows 11. It works on Windows 11 ARM based and x64 version, and it even work on Windows 10. You can install it on Windows 10, or it works on Windows 10 and 11. So what we need, I open the control panel. Second, I'm going to open the program and features. If you don't have one, you can click on large icon and programs and features. Turn the Windows feature on or off and enable this stuff. I'm telling you, the Hyper-V, enable this one. Okay, and if you don't know how to enable it on your BIOS, there is tons of video of how to enable Hyper-V if you got Intel device, or how to use virtual machine on your AMD CPU or Intel CPU, how to enable it from your BIOS. You have to enable it from your BIOS and enable this one and this one. Enable this one and click on OK. And after this process, it will start to downloading some file and ask you to like restart your PC. And now we are just done here. Click on OK and it's gonna download. I already downloaded that, so I don't need it. Close this. After it's finished, just restart the computer and go to this link. I'm gonna put it in the video description. Go to this link, paste and go. Okay, so we are here. So what you got? Windows 10 or 11. I got Windows 11, and my Windows 11, as I told you, is 11 x64 based. I got Intel CPU and it has ARM version too. It works on ARM version. So this virtual machine is Android Fair-in, and it's stable. So that's why I recommend you to install Android Fair-in, because the Android 14 at this time we have the Android 14 version, but it's not stable. Android 13 is pretty stable and you can use it for daily use. Okay, so we got wide variety of versions for the WSA or Windows subsystem for Android. The difference between the version, you can read it. Okay, what's the difference between all these versions? It's obvious. It contains Google Play Store and service, no Amazon App Store. So just read all of that and look at what you actually need for the root access. Like we got Magisk for here. We have Magisk for root access. Contains Magisk for the root access. We got that, and from here you can download it. I already downloaded that. Like this is my favorite version because, let me see. No, this one is my favorite. I already downloaded that. It has GApps, no Amazon App Store got removed from it. So you can click here and start to download it. Okay, there we go. You can download the file, but I already downloaded it. Cancel. So I'm gonna cancel this. And let me show you the downloaded file. Okay, here's the downloaded file. It gives you a file like this. You can open it with WinRAR or 7-zip, or you can double click on open it and just copy this file, or you can drag it or copy this file. Go to your C drive and paste it here and change the name to the WSA. Change the file name to the WSA. I don't know why I just twice make two folder. I'm sorry for that. I don't know why I did it. Just rename the file. You can just rename the file to WSA and just put it on your C drive. Like this is the main location, the root file. So go to the WSA and go to there is a run. Look, and right click on this one and run as administrator. Click on it. And it's gonna opening a CMD, something like this, a CMD window, and let it to get finished. Like it asks you press any key to finish. During the installation process, it asks you for like we need some permission to that, press on allow, gives all the permission to install, let the installation process get finished successful. So after that, we don't need that, we can close all of that. So okay, and let me run. I already did that, so I'm not gonna do it again. So WSA or WSA, no, not WSA. What is that? Apps and apps. There we go. Windows subsystem. It will gonna show up after the installation process complete. Windows subsystem for Android. Okay, so we have this right now. So I'm gonna start it. Okay, it just run the files. Now which is set it's pixel 5. Okay, so I can open my apps, all the apps I want, and I already installed the Snapchat, Instagram, and yeah, let me run the Instagram. Let's see what's going on here. Okay, here's the Instagram, and you can use the Instagram, and there is other stuff. I'm not gonna check that. So now we are still not finished yet. We have to install Sideload. How to Sideload app? Like, what is Sideloading? So how to Sideload apps? Okay, downloads. Here it is. So now I got Instagram. Like, I already downloaded the Instagram detail. Yeah, I already downloaded the Instagram. And how can I sideload the apps? Like installing with double click. For this, go to this link, copy the, I'm gonna put the link in the video description, paste, let it to get open. So from here, download the latest version of WSA Pacman, download it, and it's gonna give you a file like this. Double click on it and press yes and wait for it, and click on next. I already installed that, so I'm not gonna install it again. Okay, after you install that, you can sideload the apps like this. I already installed Snapchat. Okay, but keep that in your mind. It said allow like this. If asks you during the installation process for that, always mark this and allow. Okay, so Snapchat, we got the Snapchat. You know how to, I already installed it, it's here. I'm not gonna reinstall it again. So you can see the permissions, it's very clear. Okay, you can see the version of the Snapchat and the package name. Everything is perfect. So I told you about the Sideload and how to install the WSA. Thanks for watching, guys. I'm gonna put both of this link in the video description. Thanks for watching.